Greetings! In this instructional video, I'll guide you through troubleshooting the issue of the Ubisoft Connect Store not loading. I've outlined 4 steps for you to follow, so let's dive in. Step 1 involves running the application as an administrator. Before doing so, ensure that you close the application by clicking the X button at the top. Next, locate the Ubisoft Connect shortcut on your desktop or use the search function to right-click on the shortcut, select Open File Location, and then choose Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Also check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and click OK. Don't forget to log out before proceeding. If you're still encountering issues, let's move on to Step 2, which involves clearing the cache. Begin by logging out of the application properly, then type Run into the search bar and enter Unlocal App Data to access the Local App Data folder. Locate the Ubisoft Connect folder, right-click on it, and select Delete to clear the cache. This ensures that any corrupted files are removed. Step 3 focuses on changing your password. Log back into the Ubisoft Connect application and navigate to your account information. From there, access the Ubisoft Account Management website and proceed to the Security section to change your password. Follow the prompts sent to your email to complete the process. Issues persist. The final step is to reinstall the game. Open the Ubisoft Connect application, click on the Escape button, and then access the control panel by typing it into the search bar. Select Uninstall a program, locate Ubisoft, and choose to uninstall it. Ensure that you check the boxes to remove all associated files. Once uninstalled, download the Ubisoft Connect application from the official website and reinstall it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. See you in the next one.